Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Tor Browser latest version, that is 15.0 on PopOS 24.04 LTS version. Okay, the default browser that comes with PopOS is Firefox. Open it, then go to Tor Browser official website. It is torproject.org. Then click on download Tor Browser or click on download Tor Browser, both are same. Then click on this download for Linux. See, download started and its size is 131 megabytes. Now open terminal. Now go to downloads directory, ls. See, here we have the zip file. We have to unzip it, tor-accept, then tor. Press that up to autofill, enter file name from your keyboard, hit enter, ls. Now go to this Tor Browser folder, ls. Now execute this file, that is tor browser.desktop, // then start, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill, enter file name, hit enter. Wait a moment, Tor Browser will be opened. See, you got the Tor Browser. If you want to always connect automatically, you have to turn, and if you want to connect manually, keep it as turned off and click on connect. It is up to you. Then now see, it is establishing connection. Now go to these three horizontal bars, help, then about Tor Browser. See, we have installed 15.0. Okay, see, established the connection. See the default search engine for Tor Browser is DuckDuck. Okay, so we have successfully installed Tor Browser on PopOS 24.04 LTS version. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.